I grew up way out in the middle of the woods. I grew up in Alsea, Oregon, playing in tree houses and grubbing around in the woods. I went back home recently and was walking behind our house where my sister and I built a tree house when we were kids, and I realized the tree house platforms that we had built ourselves had to have been 30 or 40 feet up in the air, and I was totally shocked as an adult that my parents actually let us do that. That was a different time, I suppose, so that was our adventure. I'm Ella Clark-Nicholson. I'm a physician assistant at OHSU. A patient could expect the same level of care and quality of care from a physician assistant as they would expect from a physician. I love that I get to build ongoing relationships with my patients and see my patients over the years. I love that I can see newborns and children and adults and seniors. We really strive to provide a medical home for patients. We keep the patient at the forefront of their care, and we try to get to know all of the factors that could affect their health care and really work to tackle all of those things that maybe could be barriers to good health and address all of those needs. I saw a patient this morning who also sees a cardiologist at OHSU for his heart condition, and I needed to adjust some of his heart medications. So I know after my visit I can communicate easily with the cardiologist and get his advice. I'm able to talk with my team nurse who can make sure she has phone follow-up with him to know that his medication adjustments are working well. I can talk with our resource specialist who can address things like transportation issues or food insecurity, and that's really what kind of full spectrum primary care looks like. I feel really fortunate to be able to have a career that I absolutely love, that's been my lifelong passion, and that every day I find joy in.